Hi, this is Dave Brukhouse with Brukhouse Insurance. We are experiencing a historic hard insurance market right now. You probably are aware of some of the issues going on. The things mostly being impacted are commercial property, commercial vehicle insurance, and residential home insurance. The reasons we're experiencing this is we're still having supply chain issues. Inflation, although it has tapered off, we are seeing it trickle down to impacting insurance now. We've had an extraordinary number of catastrophic losses. Catastrophic just means any loss that it results in at least $10 million of claims. The severity of losses have increased. The cost of technology used to be that you could replace a bumper on a car for $600. Now there's all kinds of sensors and things involved, and it might be $3,000 to replace that same bumper. So all those things are impacting our insurance costs. How are carriers, insurance companies responding to that? Well, they're raising rates for one, but they're also limiting new business. So they're not accepting the same amount of new business. In some states, they're leaving the state. California and Florida, I kind of look at as bellwethers, and insurance companies have been leaving those states or stopping the writing of new business in those states. They are implementing new and more restrictive underwriting guidelines. They're trying to do all these things in order to regain the underwriting profit. Average losses to companies over the past year, they've paid out $1.05 for every dollar they brought in. So they're trying to get that back in line. Our game plan at Brukhouse Insurance is still to try to get our clients with the correct company, with the correct insurance, and not be paying more than they should. So how do we do that? Well, these days it's really best to bundle your insurance, your auto and home, put them together with the same company. That gives you a discount across the lines on both of those. And speaking of discounts, look for all the discounts and ask about the discounts that you might qualify for. There may be a little thing that you can do to where you can gain a discount that you didn't qualify for previously. Drive carefully, try not to get in accidents. That obviously helps your rates. Raise your deductible. Consider bringing your deductible up to a little bit higher. That'll bring your rate down. It'll also eliminate some of those lesser dollar figure claims from happening. And evaluate your situation before you file a claim. Make sure that it's going to be worth filing that claim. And we can help you with those evaluations. We can help you with all of those things. Ultimately, we can get through this. We can make it through the hard market. We're going to see it for at least another 3 to 6 months, if not a little longer than that. The Department of Insurance in California and in Florida, those bellwether states I mentioned, things are turning. We've seen 6 new companies start up in Florida. That's good news. We've seen the Department of Insurance in California allowing for some rate increases. That doesn't sound like good news, but it really is good news, because as opposed to having carriers leave the state, which limits competition, if they can increase the rates appropriately, that helps them to stay in the state and maintain that level of competition. So that's good news. These new companies are leveraging technology. They're using drones, they're using driver technology in order to help them derive better rates for you. So with all of this, stick with us, give us a call if you have any questions, and at Brukhouse Insurance, when you insure with us, all your dreams are coming true.